Hey home decor fans, welcome back to another product unboxing, and today we will be unboxing the Wirelel rustic kitchen signs available on Amazon. I was so excited to receive this package from Wirelel. This company does rustic kitchen decor signs. Now this one is the Outre wooden kitchen decor sign, and it has 6 wooden pieces. Now it's perfect for just giving a nice vintage kind of bohemian vibe to your decor for your kitchen area or your dining area. Needless to say, I was super excited to receive this package because, as you know, I love me some good bohemian vintage style decor that just has a personality to it. I love the rustic theme, and so far from what I'm seeing, this delivers. Now it's a 6-piece set, so join me as I open the set to see what is included in this package. These signs do not disappoint. Even though they are large in terms of length and size, they're actually very lightweight. Each wooden paddle comes with a rustic piece of twine at the top to give it some personality and to continue the decor theme of vintage, and also it comes with wall hooks that make for easy, convenient hanging. Included in the set is this little accent piece right here to kind of mimic that farmhouse, vintage, rustic, bohemian feel. I love it. I am living for this set. It's super cute. It's lightweight. It comes with the hooks on the back, the twine on the front, the colors that were selected. It's very rustic, that kind of chalkboard paint, that kind of feel, and it would make for a good conversation piece. I mean, what's not to love about super-sized cutlery? In the set, there are 3 wooden cutlery pieces that are just as large, measuring 14 by 6, but also they are super lightweight. So there's no fuss. It's all about convenience while making practical, cute farmhouse decor. Each wooden cutlery piece comes with 2 wall hooks, so you can easily hang them horizontally as you feel. Now, what I love about the set is that even the cutlery pieces, they continue the theme, that whole rustic kind of look. And the paint, the chalk paint, it mimics the colors of the large palette. So you have a whole conversation piece on your wall. The beauty about these extra large wooden rustic kitchen signs is that you can even split the set and hang them throughout, whether between the kitchen and the dining area, as your decor needs suit you. So you can hang the entire set together, or you can split the cutlery one area and the wording in another area. Personally, I'm gonna put everything all together, but that's just me. So I'm going to go hang my new wall decor signs, and I will give you guys a sneak peek as to how it looks. But until next time, thank you for watching my product unboxing of the Wirelel 6-piece rustic wooden wall decor signs. See you again soon. Ciao.